How to enable dark mode across all apps on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you can enable dark mode on your Android device and also across all apps. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, locate your settings app and then open it up. After you do that, you will need to head over to your display option. So scroll till you find display, and after you do, tap on it. After you tap on it, you will find your multiple options, and you'll find under appearance section something called the dark theme. So all you have to do is toggle this button on, and then your dark theme should start working. So the thing here is sometimes some apps will not have your dark themed option available for all. So what you'll have to do is go through some of them and then change it to dark theme. And more better, what you can do is you can simply select your system's option. So whenever you change your brightness, whenever you change your theme, the app's theme will change as well. So if you swipe down from the top and you'll be on your control panel, you'll find the dark theme option here as well. So this is the dark theme right here. You can tap on it to turn it off and tap on it to turn it on. If you don't see it, tap on your edit icon. Then let's say that you don't have it here, you'll find the dark theme option right here. If you tap on it, it will get added right there, and then you can now quickly switch between dark and light mode. And that's how you enable dark mode across all apps. And let's head over to an app and check. So if I open up my Instagram, there you can see it's on dark mode, and the same goes for my Gmail. The same goes for my Gmail right here and every other app. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.